Hi, this is Scott with MyTech USA. Here's a tip for using MyCAD, MyTech's free downloadable 3D software. Select from Scene is a sorting MyCAD function to view or filter groups, select one or multiple objects, or view objects by category. Profiles, panels, groups, and accessories are viewable categories, but hardware isn't a viewable subject in this feature. Find the Select from Scene function either from the drop-down menu under Edit or in the toolbar across the top of the page with the paper and arrow icon. Doors built with the Door function feature are the only automatically grouped product in MyCAD. Here we have a typical safety enclosure. By going to the Select from Scene, we can view, filter, sort, and/or select any main products of the design. Once you select an item, you can then go back to the main design page and view its properties or make changes to it. Thank you for viewing using MyTech and MyCAD. Please check out our other videos or visit our website for product information, distributors, and software downloads.